All right, recording is rolling. Recording's rolling. It's Tuesday, May 9. I've got a project lined up for you guys. Right before I hit a couple other announcements here. So you guys know exams are coming up. Now, in this class, all my classes are a little bit off now because got testing season. So I'm going to do a little different. But you guys here, end of the day, we finished the exam review. If anybody here missed any part of the review or wants to see any of it again, remember, it's all uploaded to Google Classroom. Okay, you guys do that? Right. And if you're in one of my other classes, we might still be going over the exam review, right? Oh, so seniors, your guys' final exam is coming up in a few days. So here's senior final exam days are the 15, 16, 17. Okay, you guys heard that? Now, for science classes, this is a science class, that's going to be Tuesday the 16th. Okay, right? So if you're a senior, I know I've got a few seniors in here. When are you guys taking the final exam for this class? Tuesday the 16th. Okay, you guys got that? Right. Now, everybody else, which is most of you guys are going to take your final exams the last week of school, which is this week right here, right? Okay, and it goes like this: period 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and then 2, 1. Okay, right? You guys get that? Series final exams. Okay. Other announcement. Oh, you guys probably know by now. I think I mentioned this yesterday too. Yearbooks are available in senior dining Monday through Thursday this week. If you haven't bought one yet and you wanted one, $105 cash only, but probably first come, first serve kind of deal. Okay. All right, so you guys good there? All right, let's go on to what we're doing today. Let me flip my screen and show you guys the same examples that I did yesterday, right? Or yeah. You want to see this again, or if you weren't here, that's it. I'm so sorry, guys. My computer is like super laggy right now, so I'm doing the best I can on the side. But where's okay? Here we go. Okay, hold on. All right, hang tight. Okay. All right, so here, you guys see that poster board on your desk? Hey, guys, everybody look up here. Look up here. Right, you guys have pretty much all class period talk to each other. I just want to get you guys started here. Right, so you guys have a foam board on your desk. You guys see that? I'm gonna come around with some markers in a minute, so you guys can write your names on the board. Right. At the end of class, I'll have you guys store this on the lab table, and this will be a multi-day project. Okay, so you guys will have several days to work on this. Okay, so what? I'm gonna have you guys roll some marbles down. I haven't broken out the marbles yet. We'll wait on the marbles. But the marbles you can roll down the track. Now you guys come up with a creative roller coaster design, you and your teammates, right? And then what are some different parts here? Well, you probably want to build a frame. Let's look at the frame. We got a vertical column here. We got a horizontal beam here, which is just like a square cross section. So that's pretty straightforward. Show you guys how to make that. Ooh, this diagonal support can give it a lot of structure. Okay, now that's just the frame. The actual roller coaster where the marbles going along. What do we got? Well, we got some straight track like right here. I see like a vertical loop here. I see like a turn here. Now there's actually two turns. There's a tight turn and a wide turn, right? I see a green funnel down here. Can I flip these pictures? Okay, well, I'll tell you what. I flipped these pictures yesterday and also showed you guys a video. The fact that my computer's so laggy right now, I'm just gonna switch back over and show you guys how to do some of these. Right. So there are lots of different template pieces. You guys have some templates on your desk. If you need more templates, you guys see I have a bunch of orange ones over there. You guys see stacks of orange. Now the orange ones on stacks are organized by template design. So I'll go through these with you. I don't have all the templates in front of me right now, but I have some of them, right? So one students like a lot is the funnel. The funnel is pretty easy to make. I think this is like the last piece that I have that's the orange one, okay? But you cut this out. Right now, guys, anything that's a solid line, you cut. Anything that's a dashed line, you fold. Right? If it's like shaded like this, you might use that to glue over. Right? There's a couple of exceptions to those rules, but for the main part, where's right here? Right. For the main part, you're following these two rules: fold the dashed lines and cut the solid lines. Okay, again, there's a couple of exceptions, but I'll show you as we go along. Okay, let's get that. Right. So let's do. Okay, so if you cut out the funnel, right, then you can cut right here. Okay, right, just like this. It's gonna look like this, right? Okay, and then fold it like this, and oh, you got yourself a funnel. Now it's a pretty shallow funnel. If you want a steeper funnel, you can just do like this, right? If the marble doesn't fit through, you can make that hole bigger. Right. There's also a wall. Do you guys see this funnel wall? You guys see how you could cut this out and you can put like a strip like right here, right? And it like a funnel wall. So if your marble goes like flinging just a little bit too high, then the wall will contain it within the funnel. Okay. Okay, so that's one piece. That's just the funnel piece. I put that to the side. All right. What else we got here? Let's do how about column? Now there's one template that says column, there's one template that says beam. Here, guys, everybody look up here. Look up here. Right. They're basically identical, and there's two of them on one template. You guys see a solid line going down the middle, right? So what I'll do is, right, you guys all got scissors and glue, right? So I'll show you guys how to do this. Right, I cut straight down the middle, right, and then see these dash lines. Now you guys also have rulers at your desk. It might be helpful to use the rulers to make these straight folds. All right, so I fold across this dash line right here, and then fold across this dash line. Let's see right there. Then across this dash line right here, and across this dash line right here. Right. Tell you what, if you want to trim off this extra a little bit over here, you could. Right, but basically, I got like a square cross section. You guys see like a square cross section? Right. Now, truth be told, a cylinder would be a little bit stronger. Like when you put a crease there, it makes it a little bit weaker. Okay. But here, I'll show you guys how easy it is to glue this together. All right. I'm going to throw down a track of glue right here. Track of glue. Right. And then roll this up. Right. Right. And all I have to do is hold that there for like 10 or 20 seconds. Maybe like press it down and hold it. Okay. You guys have done plenty of paper and glue projects in this class, right? So all you got to do is like this. Okay. Oh, have a column. Boom. Column. Done. Right, guys. Nice column. Okay. Right. Again, the beam is basically identical. Now, let me add on to this column a little bit, because how do you glue this column onto your foam board? Suppose this is like your foam board right here, right? Guys, do you want to glue this paper? Is there, look up here? Do you want to glue this paper edge directly to your flat foam board? No, because that would take forever to dry and it wouldn't work very well, right? You guys remember like cutting feet? And we could do the same thing here. Then I go like cut, around there, cut like that. I can do like that, right? Right. Spread these out. Right, I can do that. Right. And then, hey, could I just glue surface to surface and glue it like that? Right. Hey, I could. That would be a lot stronger, right? In fact, if you needed to, you could probably cut the top like that, or maybe take another column, like slide it over and glue it. Right, guys, yeah. Okay. And then beam, you just turn this 90 degrees, make it horizontal. Very, very similar idea. Okay. What else we got? Okay, so that's a column piece. I got one that says wide turn and one that says sharp turn. Okay, now these are similar idea, just different radii. Okay, and I got a vertical loop. Here, I'll do if you guys want to follow along or practice as I'm doing it, then that can help too. Now there's 4 of each here. So let me cut this one. So there are 4. I'm gonna cut one of them. All right, cut that right there. Bam. Okay. Take my ruler, hold it up to the dashed line, fold this over. Right. Remember, I said cut solid line and fold dashed line, right? So that's what I've done so far. There was a straight solid line, some dashed lines. Right. Right. Now I got actually, this right here is another piece called a straight track, which I don't have a template up here right now. But you guys see how if you just want to make a straight track, the marble could just like roll in a straight line like that. You guys see that? Right. Boom. Right. But a wide turn. Now here's where I'm going to make an exception. I said cut the solid line. Okay, guys, for the turns, and same thing for the sharp turn. Right. Do what I'm about to show you guys. Right. Instead of cutting this out, right, you really ideally want to glue on the shaded part. Right. So make 3 cuts. I just made 2. Cut, then I turn a little bit, cut, and then actually cut this right here just a little bit. Right, you guys see I did that? Let me do a few of those and show you how it goes together. Cut, 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 cut. Okay, you could do that all the way down. Okay, right. So I just got a few going. Now on that shaded bit, let me throw a little bit of glue, a little bit of glue, a little bit of glue. Okay, a little bit of glue right there. Right, and then let's see. Press and hold. Right, maybe bend that a little bit. Okay, press and hold that for a few seconds. Press and hold this for a few seconds. It's gonna hold right there. It's gonna hold right there. Hold right there. All right. Okay. All right. Oh, and look at that. See how it's starting to turn, starting to bend? Is that, hey, if you do that all the way down, look how fast I did that. Do all the way down, it's gonna make like a turn. Is that? Okay. You could do, now that's called a wide turn. If you do the sharp turn, the fact that you're making larger cuts, it's just going to turn sharper. It's going to make a smaller radius. Okay. Let me do one more with you guys and then send you guys on your way. All right, I've got, this one says loop. We're talking about a vertical loop. Hey, you guys ever been on a roller coaster that goes upside down? So let's make a cut right here. Cut, 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 cut. All right, take my ruler, put it up to the dash line. If you want to trim that extra bit out there, you could. But it won't make a huge difference. All right, fold along this dash line. Over here. Fold along this dash line. All right. All right. Hey, look, it looks like a straight track again, doesn't it? You guys see like a straight track? All right. Let's take some scissors. Right. Yeah, go. All right. So go cut, cut, cut. You can do this all the way down. Right. I'm just gonna do a few with you. Cut, cut, cut. Okay. All right. And then say dab of glue. Right. Just on the shaded bits. So shade, 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 shade. All right. All right. Hold that right there for a few seconds. Next. Hold that right there for a few seconds. Next. Hold this right here for a few seconds. Yeah. See how now it's kind of looking like a hockey stick. You guys see that? Right. And then if you do that all the way, it's gonna make like a vertical loop. And the marble, now the marble needs a pretty good height, so it comes down and then it can like make its way all the way around the loop. Okay, right, you guys do that? All right, so there, I showed you guys the mechanics. I showed you guys how to cut and glue a few of those parts. Lots of templates, some on your desk. The ones in stacks over there in orange, please do keep those basically in the stacks that they're in because those are organized by piece. Okay, this is a multi-day project, so use your imaginations, have fun, and if you need help, let me know.